Hello everyone, welcome back to the house, and today we will be doing another minimalism video, and this one is a step-by-step guide to how myself as a minimalist creates the perfect outfit. So let's just get right into it. This is going to be a 5-step process. The first step is finding a piece to style around. Now this can be a top, bottoms, shoes, accessories, jewelry, whatever you want, just one piece that the whole outfit will kind of follow after. That way, when you start from one piece and you work around it, it's easier for you to find things to pair with that one item instead of being a little bit all over the place and not really knowing where to start. So for this video, I've chosen 2 pieces that I really like and that I'm going to be styling around. The first one is a kind of high neck, short sleeve or no sleeve shirt, and the other one is a cowl neck camisole. So the second step that we will be doing is considering what you will be doing for that day. So making sure you have your schedule out, or whatever plans you have, whether that's just going to the gym, then running some errands and coming home, or you're going out to dinner, you're going out to brunch. Also considering the weather. Is it cold outside? Is it hot outside? Are you gonna need a sweater? Are you gonna need to take your sweater off eventually? Just make yourself a quick little to-do list and assess where your outfit is going to start depending on what your errands are going to be for the day. So after you've gone over what your kind of day is going to look like, you want to decide what kind of pieces would go into this category. So for example, the first outfit that I'm going to show you is going to be the one with the black camisole. That is going to be a meeting photo shoot. This is all hypothetical. Meeting photo shoot brunch look. The second one is going to be a laid back errands, running around town, very casual look. So then you want to find some pieces that color coordinate with your outfit. I only wear neutral, so it's super easy for me to find pieces that match. Pretty much everything in my closet can be worn with each other. They're all either white, black, or tan. So it's all about finding, for me, it's all about finding the right textures that I want to match. So as you can see, I have like a satin blouse and a satin top, but I don't really want to go for that look today. I want to go for a more kind of classy, very streamlined, not too much going on. So I've decided to pair that with a pair of black jeans and my strappy heels. And then for the second outfit, which you will see later on, we can go more into what kind of vibe I was going into. And both outfits are going to be using this structured bag because it complements both looks perfectly. Now you want to go ahead and find your accessories. If you're styling around an accessory, clearly you wouldn't need to find more accessories. You would just have to find the clothing items. But because we started with clothes first, we're going to move on to jewelry pieces. So for both of these outfits, I would like to wear hoop earrings just because I love the look that they give on your face. They're kind of like a statement piece for me. And also we're just going to be adding some rings and a dainty necklace. Now after you've finished styling all of your pieces and you have your outfit color coordinated and you have the type of shoes you want to wear and you know what you're going to be doing for the day, we are on to the 5th and final tip, and that is to be confident or comfortable in your outfit. So assessing whether what you're wearing is going to kind of help you have a sense of confidence and also being comfortable, because what I notice is when I'm comfortable in an outfit, it adds on to my confidence. So as you can see, this is the outfit that's going to be for a photo shoot, meeting, and a dinner look. So of course, if it was colder outside, I'd make sure I had a little sweater tied around my waist or off of my shoulders. We're adding the earrings for the look, and it definitely when you assess if it's giving off the vibe that you're looking for, which I said was the streamlined, elegant, not too much going on look, and once you assess that that's the look that it's giving off and you don't feel like you need to add something or take something away, you can go ahead and complete your outfit with your accessories and your shoes, and you will be ready to go. this next outfit, we are going for a laid back running errands brunch, nothing too crazy. So we're wearing a jacket because in this scenario it's going to be hot, it's going to be cold outside, so I'm going to make sure we have something to cover up our sleeves. It color coordinates, it goes with the vibe that I want to give off, which is casual yet still elevated with the structured bag and the wide leg pants and the high neck top. I have my hair back because your hair is definitely an accessory and can add to the look that you're trying to pull off. And then I have on these big hoop earrings and also flat shoes because, like I said, we're going to be doing a lot of walking in this outfit. So that is how I like to plan my outfits, and those are my steps. If you guys have any tips you want to share with the audience, leave them down below. And if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you comment down below or give it a like, and also do not forget to have a great day.